Convention Center. Waiting on a strike. Enterprise. Admin.
Hi, this is 170 SE. I'm at the scene of the shooting. I need to make sure you know and report out to all consoles. Vehicle 9970 was stolen during the event. Do you copy that? Hello? Okay, the vehicle is an F-250, black and white. It has one shotgun still inside and one low lethal under the back seat, locked under the back seat. So I am in possession of the AR.
Yeah, I think I already transmitted the information about the Black Hawk.
To all consoles, vehicle 9970. I have the AR-15. The shotgun and the low lethal shotgun are still inside the vehicle. Thank you.